So it's always been a dream of mine to study abroad since I did all my studies back in Egypt, and I've always wanted to have an international student experience, and since I won the scholarship to study here, it was a perfect opportunity to fulfill that dream. Barcelona is great, I really like it here. It's a pretty convenient city, you have the beach, you have the mountains, pretty organized, public transportation works seamlessly. The city is super organized and clean, you meet a lot of people from everywhere in the world, so I think it's pretty cool being here, especially at this time. When I actually started my internship is, I'm doing an internship at Accenture. We're working in the analytics department, so they're teaching us about how they do their stuff. I'm learning a lot of new things about analytics, machine learning and stuff, so it's pretty cool. They also told us that they hire like 75% of the interns, which I think is a great way to get a job after that if I want. Hopefully somewhere far away. Like I would like to work remotely for a while and travel for a bit, so maybe the next 2 years I will be doing something like that. Yes, in the program we're learning a lot of non-technical skills like business and user experience, which has really broadened my perspective on technology and how to approach it. I think if you're bored or you don't want to do a traditional master's program where you go sit in class and that kind of very traditional education, I think Barcelona offers a great alternative to that. It's more practical, it's more hands-on, it's more tuned to the market and the job market and what kind of profile is needed right now, and we have tutors, we have professional career advisors, we have people to help us all along the way, people here, and it's the fact that it's smaller, so they listen more to our feedbacks, and it's more of a personal experience than it's just like a mass-produced education. Well, of course, like every time in your life impacts you. I think here it's my first time to live in Europe. So here you get to learn how people do things here, how the system works, the culture and so on. It gives you a new perspective, makes you more international and so on. I think for me personally, what I wanted out of a master's, BTS is fulfilling what I want, just like the things that I was looking for and the things that I wanted to achieve. I think BTS is really fulfilling the needs that I wanted, and I think for people who, as I mentioned, looking for a more modern way of education and a more hands-on and more tuned education, I think it's a perfect place for